Good day everyone. Learn how to take a screenshot in laptop or a desktop. Just look at a keyboard of your desktop or laptop and you will find a key PRTSC that is called print screen. The moment I'll press that key, you will see a window like this, and you can, if you want to take the whole image, you can simply drag like this and you will find that it has been copied. If you want to see it, just go to MS Paint and just press Ctrl V and you will see it is right there. Let's say if you want to take a part, not the whole portion, press print screen again on a keyboard, and let's say if you want only this part, you can do that as well. And then go to Word or Excel and you can paste it right there. So in this case, I'm just pressing pasting in the Word. I'll just press Ctrl V and you can see the images right there. So this is how you can take a screenshot in the laptop. If you find this tutorial short, helpful and easy, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.